Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make simple mechanisms like this in Fusion 360. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, we make a mechanism base. Click sketch, click this plane, active line, click this point, up the line and make line length is 10 mm. Point right the line, make line length 8 mm. Point down the line, make line length 5 mm. Point right the line, point down the line, make line length 5 mm, and click this point. Active sketch dimension, click this line and this line, make distance 36.5 mm. Active extrude, click this sketch, make direction symmetric, click wall length, make distance 5 mm. And make operation new component. Okay. Click create sketch, click this face, active line, click from this point to this point, active rectangle, click this point, make width 2 mm and height 1 mm. Active sketch dimension, click this line, make distance 1 mm. Active extrude, click this sketch, oops, sorry, not this. Make extend type to object, click this face, okay. Now we make stem in this side. Click create sketch, click this face and active line, click this point to this point, active circle, click this point, make circle diameter is 3 mm. Active extrude, click circle, make distance 3 mm. Base is ready. Now we make new component. Click create sketch, click this face, active line, click this point to this point, just follow base surface. Active extrude, click this sketch, make distance minus 5 mm. And make operation new component. Okay, see, we make a new component. You can drag this component. If you want to return to the initial position, click reverse position. Click this face, click create sketch, active line, click this point to this point, active circle, click this point, make circle diameter is 3 mm. Active extrude, click this circle, make distance 6 mm. Okay. Now we make connecting rod. Click create sketch. Click this plane. Active slot. Click this point to this point. Active sketch dimension. Make this line length 10 mm. Make radius slot 2.5 mm. Active circle. Click this point. Make circle diameter 3 mm. And make same circle in the other side. Active extrude. Click this sketch. Make distance 3 mm. And make operation new component. Okay. Click create sketch. Click this plane. Active slot again. Click from this point to this point. Active sketch dimension. Make this line length 20 mm. Make radius slot 2.5 mm. Active circle. Make circle diameter is 3 mm. Active extrude. Click this sketch. Make distance 3 mm. And make operation is a new component. Okay. Click this face and click create sketch. Active circle. Click this point to this edge. Active extrude. Click this sketch. Make distance 3 mm. Operation is join. Okay. Click create sketch. Click this face. Active circle. Click this point. Make circle diameter is 3 mm. Active extrude. Click this sketch. My operation is cut. And cut this component. See, hole is making. Click create sketch. Click this plane. Active circle. Click this point. My circle diameter is 3 mm. Active extrude. Click this sketch. Make distance 6 mm. And make operation new component. Okay. See, all component is ready. Now we will assemble the simple mechanism. First step, make component 1 ground. That make component 1 can move. After that, active join. Click this edge. And this edge. Click mention. Choose slider type mention. Okay. Active join again. Click this edge and this edge. Click default type mention. Okay. Active join. Click this edge and this edge. Choose region type motion. OK. Active join. Click this edge and this edge. Choose revolve type motion. OK. Active join again. Click this edge and this edge. OK. The assembly is done. See, the simple mechanism is ready. I want to change color this component. Alright, click component, click a branch. Right click and click edit. Choose this color. You can animate this simple mechanism. Click join. Right click revolve to click animate model. See, the mechanism move. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and try to learn Fusion 360. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.